In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a strike-through in DocuSign. If you've been navigating through DocuSign and found yourself needing to indicate changes or emphasize text that should be ignored, then strike-throughs are a great tool to use. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily apply this feature to your documents. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the DocuSign homepage. Once you're there, locate the Login button, typically at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and enter your credentials to log into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the DocuSign homepage, which acts as your central hub for document management. From here, navigate to the Templates section. Selecting a template is important because it determines the format and layout of your document, which can affect how and where you apply the strike-through. Once you've chosen your template, proceed by adding the necessary details to your document. This may include recipient information or specific instructions related to the document. Filling in these details ensures clarity and accuracy for anyone interacting with the document. After entering all the required information, click on the Next button. This will take you to the document preparation and editing stage. Now, locate the Pre-fill Tools option. Clicking on this will give you access to a variety of editing tools. From these options, select the Line tool. This is the key tool used to create a strike-through effect. With the Line tool selected, draw a line across the text you want to strike through. Make sure to align it properly so it looks clean and professional. This clearly indicates that the text is no longer relevant. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively apply a strike-through in DocuSign. This feature is especially useful in contracts or formal documents where edits or deletions need to be clearly shown. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using DocuSign effectively.